Hi, are you looking for a project for this summer? Maybe you want to learn a little bit more about how to quilt, how to put the pieces together, how to cut them out right, how to quilt it, how to put the binding on. Well, we're going to tackle all that. In fact, we're going to take over our How Do I series on Tuesday starting July 8th, and we're going to run for 5 weeks, and we're going to work with the basics on how to prep your fabric, how to make sure it's cut correctly. We're going to talk about sashing and borders and getting it quilted and doing your binding, working with angled pieces, working with straight pieces. You're going to learn it all. So it's going to be a real fun little series. So you're going to go to our website at qualitysewing.com, go to inspirations. You're going to find everything that you need there. And the first thing you're going to find is the fabric requirements list. So if you want to join in, you're going to find everything that you need to have on hand as far as fabric goes right there. And every week we'll add more to the site so that way you have the instructions for that component of the quilt. So I look forward to having you join us on Tuesday starting July 8th for 5 weeks while we make checkered stars.